The Presidency and the State Department of Gender Affairs has strongly expressed their commitment to end FGM in Kenya by 2025. And the Interior and Coordination Line Ministry has been fully tasked to end these harmful acts. They need to hasten their GBV response strategy. There is nothing domestic about gender-based violence. GBV is a criminal act and must be treated as so. Perpetrators of gender-based violence must be prosecuted. And gender-based violence cannot be trivialized or normalized. Despite the high rate of gender-based violence in Kiambu, there is no functional state land shelter in Kiambu County. Yet the County Department of Gender and the Social Services is consistently discriminated in budget allocations. Allocation to social expenditure is inadequate. Grassroots women in rural areas and informal settlements continue to shoulder the unpaid burden of rescuing and sheltering GBV victims in the county. This is the role of the government, and the women's contribution in subsidizing the state should not be taken for granted. To support GBV survivors in Kiambu, Growth Kenya, in partnership with MasterCard Foundation and the county government of Kiambu, is implementing a resilience and recovery program in the county. The project will provide support services to survivors of gender-based violence, such as shelter facilities for survivors, emergency rescue services for at-risk women, psychosocial support and counseling, legal advisory services, affordable business loans for survivors, in-kind grants. The right to live free from violence is a basic human right. Yet the most vulnerable members of society, including women and children, persons with disabilities and the elderly, are suffering. Violence against women and girls is a crime, and all at risk have a right to be protected.
Udu tuitaga gender-based violence kana tuge dhulumu zidi ya wamama ni undu igwenda gukumiriria kana juge nda gukumiria muno makiria ta gukorwo andu ameka ciiko ici muno makiria makoragwo me andu jamba cihamite ingi makoragwo under drugs angi makoragwo mari andu ma relatives ma andu aya na thina ukagira atiriri ugakora ni kwagia na undu taru itura riri turi he mutumia uraripirwo na nerakuire ndu wa giko kiu no ugakora andu aria meka undu ucio ri matinanyitikana na megwetera ningi wiki ingi mathie meke kiundu kingi uguo nguga atiriri niguo gender violence ya bethire ri wa mbere undu to cio wanyitikana mundu ucio atwarwo igotini reke ohwo na to the maximum allowance of the law. Number 2, like investigating agencies makoro me serious na kaundu gaka gatuo very very urgent na gatuike kindu kingikorwo ati undu wahana ni undu uratikirwo makinya mana ihenya muno niguo tote kweheria kindu giki u ni undu ungihotomia ikinya economy ya bururi kinya rithire biu tondu andu aya marathukuma ri taru maburi taru goko icagi-ini urakora atumia me wira muingi marutaga no magikora ati kinya matingigiukira tene guthie wira ri tondu ni mekunyitwo kia hinya na ku barabara-ini ri economy ya thira na ciana ciakwa ni